Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's October and you know what that means. RiverFest was back in Wilmington, North Carolina. This year, things got a futuristic twist. That's right, they ditched the fireworks and lit up the night sky with a spectacular drone show. For those of you that don't know, RiverFest is Wilmington's biggest party of the year. 2 whole days of family fun, live music, delicious food, arts, and crafts galore. This year it was on October the 5th and 6th in beautiful downtown Wilmington, North Carolina. The festival kicked off with a street fair at 10 a.m. on Saturday, featuring everything from homemade jewelry to barbecue. There was a kids zone with games and activities, live bands rocking out all day long, and even a BMX bike show. But the real highlight this year was the drone show on Saturday night at 8:30. Imagine hundreds of glowing drones dancing in the sky above the river, creating amazing shapes and patterns. Well, keep watching. It's going to be an unforgettable experience. Enjoy the rest of the sights at RiverFest 2024. Hang around and watch the drone show. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. It really does help out. Thanks again for watching.
You are calling me down to the river again. I've got doubts in my hair and I wish I could feel your ghost in these winds. You say you're steady and kind, but this heart holds the view. I gotta keep what is mine. I can love you anymore, love you anymore than I do right now. You wanna come in close, you wanna come in close, but you don't know how, but you don't know how. Why'd you bring me here again? After years of silence, still hanging thick, I'm washed up and beat, laying dead on the riverbed. You even recognize me. Oh, I need a swift current to knock me off my feet. I need to lose my burdens. Say you're relieved. Don't take me to the valley if you won't call me your own. I swore I'd cling to you like skin clings to bones. I couldn't love you anymore, love you anymore than I do right now. You wanna come in close, you wanna come in close.